Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speed lesson, looking at lesson number 23, 5 words of the day. Path, tsela, 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 tsela. Repeat, vuelecha, 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 vuelecha. Second, motsotswana, 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 motsotswana. Top, godimo, 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 godimo. Wrong, phosho, 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 phosho. Or fošagetše, 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 fošagetše. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switch in 2020.